guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. In this video I wanted to challenge myself to build a Halloween party out of a blank box. I started with these purple pipe cleaners and I basically just bent them and hung them over the wall. Then I took this green tulle and draped it over the little wooden table. I hung up some spider webs, and then I brought in a lot of pumpkins. At this point I realized I forgot to put a floor down, so I brought in this black and white pattern paper for the floor. I made a little tablecloth out of some Halloween material. I should have ironed this, it would have looked better, I think. I took some of these little Halloween ornaments and hung them up on the wall with some thread. I took two of the little styrofoam pumpkins and carved them out. I didn't film that because I didn't think it would turn out, but they actually look pretty cute. I then put a little LED light inside. I took some little wooden beads and put a toothpick through them and glued it. And then I painted the beads red to be apples. And then I took some hot glue and put on the top to look like it was dripping down. And then I painted it purple. Next I took these two little clay donuts that I had made and I put some green paint on top to look like icing. And then I used some Halloween sprinkles for the top. I bought this banner from Target and I basically just cut the ends of the triangle off and some of the string and made a miniature banner. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.